Here we start to create a leave tracker. For this reason, we will type all the employee names and their ID numbers. Next, we type the date. Before typing the date in the leave tracker sheet, we will go to the leave type sheet. Here we make the date range. You can make it anywhere you want. Then, write the date of the first month. 1st January 2024. Press Enter. Then type the date 1st February 2024. Now use the click and drag trick to get all the months in a row. Then right-click, choose the format cells, go to Number, Custom, then type the format you want, as we type here 4 times M, then dash, after this, type 4 times Y, then press OK. We get the complete month name with the year. Now, go to the Yearly Tracker sheet. Then, go to the Developer tab, then click on Insert. Select the combo box from the form controls and create a box. Write the select month before the combo box. Then right-click and go to the Format control. A window opens. We put the range in the input section from the Leave type. Select the range of months from F4 to F15. Then go to the next option, which is the cell link. Click on any cell, then press OK. When you click on month, the month's number will show in that cell like this. Then again, right-click and go to the Format cell. Here, in the drop-down line, we will put the 12 because 12 months in a year. Press OK. See here in this drop-down line, we have all the 12 months. Now we use the index function here. Start the formula with an equal sign as usual. Then type index. Press the tab button. Go to the leave type sheet and select the range of months. Put the comma. Then come back to the yearly tracker sheet. Select the row number that is coming here in this cell, then press Enter. Let's change the format. Go to the number. Click and go to the date. Choose the format and press Enter. Now come to cell C3, type an equal sign, and select the range L1. For the month days, we use the formula of text. In this column, cell C4, put an equal sign, type text, and press the tab button. First argument is in cell C3, then type 3 times D between inverted commas. 3 times D means it's the first 3 words of the day's name. Close the bracket. Press Enter. We got the name of the day. Now in cell D3, we use the IF formula for tracking the date. So start the formula with an equal sign. Type if and press the tab button. Click on C3, equal sign, then inverted commas, which means empty or blank, then a comma, then again inverted commas. It means if C3 is blank, then it will be blank. Again type if. Press the tab button. We use here EO month, then start with bracket. Click on L1, then comma, 0, then close the bracket. Greater than or equal to C3 plus 1, then C3 plus 1, comma, then inverted commas. In the last, close the bracket, press Enter. We got the date. Change the format. Use click and drag trick to continue the dates and days till the last of the month. Now go to the format cells. Change the format of a date. Only show the date and month. It looks better with the day. Click on Alignment. Take this on 90 degrees, then press OK. Now go to the format and click on Autofit Column Width. In cell E1, we merged the cell, so it looks so less. That is why we adjust it to show us clearly. Right-click on the combo box and go to the Format control, Properties. Choose the option to not move or size with cells. Let's change the format. Choose some color which you want for the table. Now go to the Leave type sheet. Copy the reasons with codes and paste them after the dates. Then right-click and go to the Special Paste. Choose the Values option and transpose. Click OK. Then go to the format and select the Autofit Width. Now here we have a grand total. So we merge these cells, type grand total, and color their cells. Now, we are in the last step of the yearly leave tracker. Come to the Mark Leave sheet. Select the Employee ID range and go to the Data tab. Then click on Data Validation. Go to the Settings. In the first box, choose the list. For the source, we go to the Yearly Tracker sheet and select the Employee ID. Then OK. Now you can select any employee code. Here we use the formula to put the employee ID with the date. As usual, start with an equal sign. Click on Employee ID cell. Ampersand, click on F4, where we put the date. Press Enter. Now come to the Employee Name column. Here we use the formula of VLOOKUP. Begin with an equal sign. Type VLOOKUP, press Tab, click on D4, then go to the Yearly Tracker sheet. Select columns A and B. Then type 2 as it is the column number, then type 0 for the exact match. Close the bracket. Press Enter. We got the employee's name. Now we put the date, then leave type. For example, we select CL. Come to the Yearly Leave Tracker sheet. Begin the formula with an equal sign. Here we use VLOOKUP with the if error formula. So type if error. Press the Tab button. Type VLOOKUP. Again, press the Tab button. Lookup value is employee ID and date. Then go to the Mark Leave sheet. Select the table array from A1 to E18, then type 5. It is the column number, then type 0. Close the bracket. Then a comma, then put the inverted commas and close the bracket. Press Enter. We got the leave type that we wrote there. Now we copy and paste it into the entire range. So now come to Mark the Leave sheet and fill in the columns Employee ID, date, and leave type. Press Enter, then go to the Yearly Tracker sheet. See what we typed there, we got it here. So here we will do some conditional formatting. Select the range, then go to the conditional formatting. Click on the new rule. A window opens. Select a rule type. Format only cells that contain. Next step, go to equal to. Then write PL. Then go to the format and select the color. Then OK. See its color changed. Now again go to the conditional formatting, then go to Manage the rule. Then repeat the procedure for all the leave types. Here we come to count the leaves. So in cell AH5, we use the formula of count if. As usual, start with an equal sign. Type count, press the Tab button, select the range that is from C5 to AG5, so use the $sign. Then we take the criteria from the cell AH4. Close the bracket, press Enter. We got the result. Then use the click and drag trick and complete other tasks related to this formula. In the total column, we use the sum formula. Begin with an equal sign. Type sum. Press the Tab button. Select the range, close the bracket, and press Enter. We got the result. So click and drag, and get the total leaves of all the employees. So our yearly leave tracker is ready.